Using this twine also you have to tie up. The twine also udikattala. In this you have to tie up this using this. Okay, so this you have to keep it. This you have to fold it. You have to fold it little half and you have to 50% you have to fold it and you have to cut it and compulsory தான் அதை மடக்கி வெட்டணும். इसका मोड़ के काटने में मिलेगा फोल्डना मोड़ना मोड़ने का कटना वेट काटने का नाइस कवर इसको गेट इट दिस यू हैव टू कवर यू हैव टू टेक इट एंड यू हैव टू both side you have to get it, you have to get a bottle with a small cover and you have to break it. So using this thread, using this cloth you have to tie it so get a contrast color. It will look like nice, very nice. You should have it. So nice flower you have to using this also you have to cut it outside. Cut it with the outside and you have to cut it outside, you have to fold it.